Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here today. I've been really looking forward to this meeting, and you? In today's video, I've got something really fun and creative in store for you. I'll be taking this pencil-drawn, whimsical character, a red panda with a samurai sword, and giving it life with some special markers. But before we dive into the colorful world of markers, did you know that art has a long history of bringing joy to people's lives? From the caveman's drawings on cave walls to the digital masterpieces of today, art has always had a way of making us smile. Think about it, from the Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile to the hilarious antics of cartoon characters, art has the power to evoke emotions and connect us all. And speaking of cartoons, did you know that some of the most iconic characters started as simple sketches? Mickey Mouse, Bugs Bunny, and even our beloved Red Panda Samurai. They all began as an artist's imagination taking shape on a blank canvas. It's incredible how something as basic as lines and shapes can turn into beloved characters that have left an indelible mark on pop culture. So, as we embark on this artistic adventure today, let's remember that every stroke of the marker is a chance to add a bit more happiness to the world. Art is not just about the final masterpiece. It's about the joy of creation, the process, and the stories it tells. Now, as I get back to coloring our Red Panda Samurai, think about your favorite piece of art and what it means to you. Share it in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Sharing is caring, so please share this video with your fellow art enthusiasts. As we wrap up this creative journey, I hope you had as much fun watching as I did creating. Remember, art is a wonderful way to express yourself, so keep those creative juices flowing. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep spreading the love for art. Take care, and see you in the next video.